Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. So today I have some really exciting news, and that is that IGTV monetization is finally here. I feel like we've been waiting on this for so long and now it's finally here. So if you're interested in hearing about things like how much money can you make with your IGTV videos, what the ads will look like, what are the requirements for monetizing your videos and things like that, then keep on watching. So yesterday Instagram announced that it will finally start sharing their advertising profits with the creators, which is amazing news because it takes a lot of time and effort to create IGTV videos, so why not get compensated for it? As you probably already know, IGTV is a great way to deepen your connection with your followers and give them some more value. But from now on, you'll not only provide more value and grow your brand posting IGTV videos, but you also get paid for it, which is a total win-win. So I have all the info directly from Instagram and I'm going to share all the tea in this video. So let's do this. So Instagram said that IGTV ads will initially appear when people will click to watch IGTV videos from previews in your feed. So after you'll upload the IGTV, you'll then share it to your feed. So people who will want to watch your video will watch the ad before the video starts. So as far as what the ads will look like, they said that the ads will be up to 15 seconds long, but they will test different experiences throughout the year to make sure that the final result works for everyone. The users, creators, and the advertisers. So in order to be approved for monetization, the account will have to comply with community guidelines and have an authentic, established presence on Instagram, which means you'll only be able to monetize content that you've created and you have the right to use. So accounts that are just sharing other people's videos won't be eligible for monetization. In addition to complying to partner and monetization policies, videos will also have to be at least 2 minutes long. They will have to be advertiser friendly, which I'm assuming means no swearing and things like that. And the third requirement is that the video has to be in English, including titles and descriptions. Your videos also can't violate any intellectual properties, which means it can't contain any music that creators don't own rights to. Instagram also stated that previously posted IGTV videos or any new videos posted without feed previews will not be eligible for monetization. So unfortunately, we won't be paid for the IGTV videos that we already posted. Earnings will be calculated based on how much advertisers will pay and how many plays the video will receive. So your earnings will be calculated like this. The number of monetizable plays, which is the number of times your video was played when an ad could be inserted, times your revenue per 1,000 monetizable plays. So it looks like it's going to be similar than here on YouTube, where you get paid a certain amount of money for every 1,000 views. This is called a CPM, which stands for cost per mil, 1,000 views, and it depends on different factors, such as which country the majority of your followers are from, which niche are you in, and so on. So every video has a different CPM depending on the topic. So to give you a rough estimate, on YouTube it's usually a few dollars per 1,000 views. However, Instagram also added that payouts are likely to be small at the beginning, as they're still testing and building the IGTV experience, and that their goal is to make this valuable for creators in the long run, so we'll see. Creators with IGTV enabled will see monetization metrics in their insights, which includes monetization status of the video, approximate earnings, monetizable plays, and cost per 1,000 views. Instagram stated that the payouts will be issued once a month, beginning in July. However, as per usual, for right now, they started testing with a group of creators in the US and will expand over time. So we're patiently waiting on that moment. So as I understand it, they'll offer this option to creator accounts first, but I'm really interested in seeing if they're going to expand it to business accounts as well, because many businesses are creating valuable content as well. Anyway, we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated and let you know when the monetization will be available to everyone. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! it.